everybody, this is Grandmaster Damian Lemos for onlinechesslessons.net, and in this DVD we are gonna discuss about positional chess, and in this introduction we're gonna analyze a game between Polugayevsky and Petrosian, two very strong grandmasters. Petrosian, the former world champion, and we're gonna see this from the black side. So let's get started. White plays knight f3 and black plays c6. Well, the opening, it's like we don't know yet what are we playing, because white played knight f3 and he's not telling whether he's playing e4 or d4 or probably c4, which is the English opening. You know, when white opens the game with knight f3, usually he wants to continue playing c4 to play an English opening. And here as black, we're not telling either. I mean, we're just playing c6. This could be a King's Indian. If white plays e4, this could be a Sicilian. If we play c5, could be a Pirc defense if we play d6. I mean, in this position it's quite flexible regarding openings. So white plays d4, bishop c7, and white plays a c4. Now he's played d4 and c4. We know we're playing a d4 game, and usually when we play c6 and bishop c7, we are playing a King's Indian setup. So okay, here black plays d6. If we compare this move order to the King's Indian move order, usually as black we play knight f6 first, but as you'll see in this game, Petrosian delays this knight f6 move, so he's playing a flexible move order. In some variations we'll be able to just move our bishop to c4 or f5 depending on what white plays, or maybe as black we'll also be able to develop our knight via e7.